But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hi guys, my name's Gil, and I want to introduce to you the AIRSEE flying saucer. But not just any flying saucer. This is for your pool. It's going to float on your pool, and this piece on the bottom is going to come off by turning it counterclockwise. Comes right off, and then this piece here, you're going to be placing the chlorine tablets, and there's an adjustable here. Just want to make sure you see it. When you turn it, it will adjust the flow that you're going to allow for chlorine, so you have full control of it. Okay, now when it comes to the flying saucer, here you go. In the back, if you're going to use it manually, there's a button right here that you want to press. But you want to press it in for a few seconds, and then the light goes on. I don't know if you can see the actual light on. You can see this here, it's red. If you press it again, it will turn green, blue. See? Now, that's the limitations as far as changing it manually. It also comes with a remote control. You'll notice here it says on. Then we have the timer off, and I'll explain to that in 1 second. You have the off button. On the side you have the up and down, which is going to control the amount of light. So you can dim it or make it brighter. You have your smooth button in the center, and then you have your blue, green, and red. And right on top you have the white. Now all these buttons here, and I'm going to show you when we have them in the pool when it gets a little darker, they're dimmable, so you're going to be able to control the lighting as well. It doesn't have to stay the same color as far as like blue, green, red, or white. You could change the colors. On the bottom, remember I said I was going to get back to you as far as the timer off? But right here on the bottom, you have control as far as timing it to 4 hours, 8 hours, or 12 hours. Whichever one you pick, after the amount of time is up, it will automatically turn off. It does come with a USB cable, so you could charge. Yeah, I tell you what, the good thing about these cables is you don't always have to bring it into the house and charge it. If you have a power bank, you could just go ahead and plug it in and still charge it outside. When you're ready to charge, just remove this cover here and then plug in. And now it's charging. The great thing about this, because it's removable, you could actually take the flying saucer and use it in your garden. You could use it in your driveway. You could pretty much use it anywhere on the outside, because remember, it is waterproof. When the flying saucer light turns red, blinking red, you want to go ahead and charge it. Once it's charged, it will turn green. Okay guys, we are going to do white, red, green, and blue. We can also use the fade. We can lighten up the color. We can make it flash. Now we can mix the shades. So you have many colors to choose from. And there you have it, guys.